In this tutorial, we'll look at how to set up or remove the NodeJs from a Windows machine. First, we'll check the Node version and the NPM version installed. Next, we'll try to remove the cache from the Windows system. We go to the control panel and try to uninstall the NodeJs installation from the Windows. Windows installer is trying to remove the NodeJs setup. Once the NodeJs is removed completely, we will look at few folders to ensure that there are no traces of the installation. A Windows restart may be required at times. Look at the NPM cache folder that's still remaining after the install. We'll delete that. Go to the temp folder, then app data, and see if there is any NPM setup. Yeah, there is a folder that's remaining. We'll delete that as well. Then we'll check the environment variables and the path to ensure that the NodeJs reference is no longer lingering. Once confirming that the NodeJs has completely been removed, let's go about installing NVM, which is the Node Version Manager. With the NVM setup, we should be able to choose the node version of our choice. Once the NVM is installed, you may need to close the command prompt and reopen it again. As we can see that the NVM is installed now. NVM list shows there's no NodeJs installed yet. So let's install the latest version of NodeJs now. Once a couple of versions of Node is installed, you can choose which version of the NodeJs you want to make it as current. When the Node versions are installed, NPM also gets installed. You can check the version of NPM as well. To install the latest long-term support version of NodeJs, you can issue the command nvm install LTS.